As the state commemorates Patriots' Day today, the 13th of August, Governor Patriots'Day Acharya and Chief Minister Biren Singh paid tribute to the selfless sacrifices made by the forefathers of Manipur in defense of their homeland. Extending his warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Patriots' Day 2024, Governor Acharya remarked, "This significant day reminds us of our heroic ancestors like Bir Tikendrajit, Thangal General, Jirai Naga, Pukhrambam Kajau, Niranjan Subedar, and many other martyrs who made the ultimate sacrifice for the freedom of their motherland." He added, "These brave souls, along with many others who were exiled from Manipur for life, stood firm in their belief in the freedom of their nation, challenging the might of the British Empire in 1891. They chose death and imprisonment over a life without freedom." The governor further emphasized that this historic day serves as a reminder that unity is essential for preserving our freedom. As we observe Patriots' Day, let us pledge to stand united and fight against any forces that threaten the freedom and integrity of our nation, regardless of caste, creed, religion, or other differences. Governor Acharya urged joining the people of Manipur in the Patriots' Day observance. He wished for the success of the celebrations held across the state and beyond.